Good morning. It's Friday, May 29th, day 200 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself. It's 5 a.m. I don't work on Friday. I work 4 longer days, Monday through Thursday. So I like to do one very long walk on Friday to get my steps in all at once. Let's get going. It's 55 degrees and gorgeous right now. The first peaks of sunrise are occurring. Just beautiful. During the work week, I leave my house at 5 a.m. So I'm used to being up this early and figured, let's go get it done nice and early today because it's supposed to be beautiful and in the mid 70s. And then I could lay on the beach all afternoon. So let's get going. My favorite spot is even prettier this early in the morning. Going over to Bayview Creek. Just look at all the blue. Love it. Let's keep going. Now down at Bayview Beach. It's just before 6 a.m. It's just so calm and peaceful and gorgeous out. I'm going to start doing this every Friday, thing as I'm off every Friday. Instead of waiting till, 10 a.m., get it done nice and early. I'm down on the beach. I like to walk next to the water on the sand. It's soothing to me. Let's keep going with these steps. Now down at Gulf Beach. It's just a gorgeous morning. Another fishing boat going out. I just watched about 4 go out earlier. A little bit of wind, not too bad. Got the whole beach to myself. It's me and the seagull. Let's keep going. I'm at downtown Milford at the upper duck pond on West River Street. It's a little baby waterfall. See all the pollen and debris in the pond. I like to walk along the edge here. It's 8 a.m. It's been 3 hours. I'm 10.5 miles into my walk, but I've also been lollygagging a lot, like watching sunrise, watching the boats go out, enjoying life. I still have 5 miles to get back home, but it's all good. Enjoying this gorgeous morning. Let's keep going. Day 200 complete. $32,511. See you all tomorrow. Bye.